Welcome to How to Block Internet of any device on ASUS router. Parental Controls. Enable time scheduling. Make sure you have set the correct time zone. If not, you go to Administrator and change. System. Time zone. I compare the time zone on the router and on the computer to make sure it is set correctly. Parental Controls. Enable time scheduling. On. Apply. I block internet of a computer. Block. MAC address. To make sure I block the right device, I check its physical address. Ping 8888, using command prompt to check connection status on computer. Add. Apply. Block successful. The target computer cannot access internet at any time of the day or any day of the week. So what if you want to block for a certain time or some days of the week? Instead of block, you select time. Edit. These are the default settings. I enabled them. Apply. Currently not time. The internet is blocked, so my computer has successfully connected to the internet. To test this way of blocking the internet, I added a new rule as follows. I blocked the internet from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Finish. Apply. After completing, my computer was disconnected from the internet. The way to schedule blocking the internet is more flexible than the previous method. Here is how to block the internet of any device on the ASUS router. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.